So this was where we had left, and we had made simple RDLC reporting. Now to find the grand total of this amount, right click and go to expression. Now from the expression you select you click on common functions. From common functions you click on aggregate. Now aggregate function contains sum, average and so on. So we are concerned with the sum, so double click on sum and then get back to field data set 1 bills, that is the data set what you have set. When you click on this you'll get the following fields here. Double click on quantity, then type multiply, double click on rate and then close the bracket. Click OK. So this will give you the total of this amount. Similarly, if you want to find the total of quantity, right click here, go to expression, go to common functions, click on aggregate, click on sum, click on field data set, double click on quantity, close the bracket, then you say OK. So this will give you this. So if you want to give the title or the labels we call it, so just say total, right? So this is simple reporting. And now as you remember, in Crystal report I had shown you all the group reporting. Now the group reporting can be done here also. It is quite simple. So just click here, then right click and then you say then click on insert group, and that is insert group. So the moment you click on insert group, here it will ask you, now this is the name. Suppose I want party, or here I say party wise, this is the name of that group. Then you click on the expression. So from the expression on what you want, as I said, as the name suggests, it is party. So this is party, and then just click on OK. So the other things are filter, sorting, visibility, data output. So we are concerned with the general part. So just click on OK. So this is the grouping you get. So this is the group. And now the group field has to be placed somewhere here. So just drag this here. So you'll get the party name here. Okay, and then rest follows. Now this column, if you don't want, just say right click and then you say delete column. So this column will be deleted, so you'll have more space. So what I meant was the party name will be repeated only once and its own record will be displayed below. That is the group. And then similarly, if you want to find out the total of group wise, and then again the same procedure. Now here I say subtotal, then right click here, then you go to expression, then you go to common functions, then you go to aggregate, then you click on sum, then you click on fields, then you say quantity, that is you have to click on quantity, then close the bracket, then you say OK, then come back to amount, that is here, right click, click expression, then click on common functions, and click on aggregate, double click on sum, come back to fields, double click on quantity, then you say multiply, double click on rate and then close the bracket, then you click OK. So this is how we do the subtotaling. Now you close this will be closed, come back to the default form, come to toolbox, from the reporting drag this report viewer here and then select the report that we have done and then execute and check in the results.